Monty with Gillespie Abbey Carpet and Floors, and want to remind you, if you're looking for a place to donate turkeys for a good cause, we can help you, because once again, after many years of the Fairfield Sassoon Chamber ambassadors having a turkey drive and us helping to host this and provide a drop-off spot for turkeys, we're doing it again this year. It's on November 17th. You can come here from 9 to noon and drop them off in person. Or if you go to Facebook and go to our Facebook page, you'll see a link there where you can actually donate online if you're not able to drop off a turkey here. But we really like to see you stop in and get turkey. We usually have treats here and lots of people around having fun and whatnot. But this year's recipient of all the turkeys is the Fairfield Sassoon Family Resource Center, who help families that are in need during the holidays, and especially with food during Thanksgiving and whatnot. So stop in on the 17th, drop off those turkeys. If you're not able to do that, go to our Facebook page. There's a link there to be able to donate right there online for this turkey drive, the Fairfield Sassoon Chamber of Commerce ambassadors.